So this is video number 7, I think, for my fall 2022 vacation series. Going to Helena, Montana to pick up a KX500. The KX500 is the biggest two-stroke that Kawasaki made, and it was discontinued in 2003 or so. So I found one at 65% off, and I granted myself separation from my employer, as well as an $1,100 fuel budget to go get it at 65% off, that being $3,500 instead of 10 grand. So I passed the Rio Grande River. The Rio Grande starts upwards of Silverton and even further. It's got some size to it in Silverton, but I think that's the capital of it, or whatever the headwaters, because you can, I don't know. Anyways, I could have dipped in the Rio Grande. Instead, I'm going to do a brief polar bear plunge in one of the other rivers I'm passing. I just really wanted to get my mileage down. I'm trying to be in Steamboat Springs by 4 p.m. To hit a 2-hour appointment with the hot springs, Strawberry Hot Springs. I'm gonna cut this video short. I wanted to give you a picture of the snow in the mountains on October 26th, 2022. Love y'all. Peace.